Hello, how are you doing, my good people? Welcome to All Things Africa. This is your host Dolphin, and as you can see, today we are in a very different setup. We are in the kitchen, and I'm here today to show you how to prepare these juicy grilled goat ribs. Are you ready, guys? So for the ingredients, I'll be using the following: curry powder. I always prefer using this or this, so you can use any of your choice. I prefer using it to at least add a bit of some color to the meat. I'll also be using this. This is a sea salt. This is a very healthy salt to use, and this is what I normally use. I will also be using black pepper, garlic powder. Apart from the garlic powder, I'll also be using this. I'll make a paste out of this. I'll add this garlic and ginger and make a paste out of it. I'll also be using soy sauce. So basically these are the things that I'm going to use to marinate the meat. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you how I marinated everything, but I'm basically going to mix these ingredients together in a bowl, and also not forgetting some cooking oil. Most people prefer using olive oil, but for my case I'm just going to use any other cooking oil that you can get in your kitchen. So I used golden fry because it's normally the one I use in my kitchen. So I just used a bit of it and mixed with the paste and marinated my meat. And after marination, I placed my meat in my refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes before I went to the next step. This step that I'm going to show you next. So keep watching, guys. So this is the next step. As you can see, I've just removed the meat from the fridge and laid it in my tray. Normally it's always advisable to use aluminum foil to at least spread on the tray before you place your meat, but I didn't have an aluminum foil and I had to prepare this meat, so I just placed it on my tray here, as you can see, and this is how it's looking. And I also didn't apply some oil on the tray because the meat already had some oil, the one I used when marinating the meat. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to place it to my already preheat cooker. This is how I'm going to do it. 200 degrees. Then we'll wait for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. So let's wait. I'll come back here to show you the results. This is the progress. I really love how the meat is really turning out so well. It's really cooking well, and I'm really loving the process. So keep watching. This is just the process. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare some very nice kachumbari, and this is how we do it here in Kenya. Kachumbari is just a salad, the one most people use to eat things like nyama choma, the grilled meat. So this is how I'm preparing the kachumbari. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to cut these onions into smaller pieces. And next I'll cut my tomatoes. As you can see, I'm using 3 tomatoes. After that, I'll take warm water. I'll add warm water to the onions, let them stay for some time. This will just help the onions to not to be so bitter. And after that, I'll add some salt to the onion, add the already cut tomatoes, and just like that, our kachumbari will just be ready. So this is the final look. I hope you can see how the meat really looks so yummy, and it's very moist. Imagine guys, this was my very first time trying to prepare this. Have I tried? Please leave me a sweet comment at the comment section below. Tell me if I've tried or I'll have done it the other way around. Thank you so much for watching. Now it's time to enjoy this meat with kachumbari and very hot ugali. Thank you so much. Kindly comment down below. Leave me a very big thumbs up. Until next time, bye.